All right, gather round. Class is in session. Today, I'm going to teach you what your daddy in school never taught you on how to live life. Number one, get money. Did the video start too soon for you? Well, grab a pen and write this shit down. But bruh, how do I get money? Dog, make a business. Don't be a bitch employee. Understand that to be an employee, that in 100% of all work environments, you're being underpaid. How do I know this? It's simple math. All businesses want to make profit, and part of how they do that is hiring people. Every job that's created in an organization serves to do a bare minimum of two things. A, automate the business. Bezos can't be alone in one of his warehouses, packing, shipping, and delivering orders. He's got other people for that, because he's the guy at the top, and those workers he hires create less work for him. And B, create profit. Let's say you work at McDonald's, and your hourly rate is $15 an hour. And let's say you serve 30 people in the past hour just at your register. Let's say that all of them spend at least $5. I'll throw up the math on screen. Dog, the revenue you're bringing into the store is a whole lot more than what you are taking home. So how do you get by this? Simple. Go into work for yourself. Regular jobs are limited by the hours that you work in a day. This is true for both salaried and hourly positions. With being your own boss and running a business, there is no limit on wealth. You're not just constrained to $40,000 a year. As long as you put in the hours to build your products, your take home is unlimited. Number two, learn something. The last thing I want you to do is to burn yourself out while making a business. So have something going on the side that you can turn to continue progressing, and preferably have it be something that you've been putting off for a while. Like you've been trying to learn a new language, and all you've been able to say for 16 years is, ¿Dónde está la biblioteca? Progress that. Learn one word a day, and then two the next, and three, and so on and so forth. You get it. Number three, self-care. Exercise. Meditation. Go on walks. Get in the gym. I want you looking like War Chief Filbert over there. The lions are not the king of the jungle. War Chief Filbert is. The mental clarity of combining self-care activities, such as the ones that I just listed, are going to progress you way further than the Sigma grind set, never sleep, never eat type of work. And I mean, those people make it too. They'll get money as well, and then they'll go to the grave shortly after. Nah, son, we're here for a good time and a long time. Number four, social. Improve your relationships with others. Specifically, you want to increase your communication skills, because that helps in every area of your life. But other than that, make sure you have a healthy social life. We literally need human connection to survive. Or do you want to end up like Sigma over there? Admittedly, this is the hardest one to balance, because the other activities listed do take quite a bit of time if you're juggling them with something like school or a full-time job. The way I'd recommend doing this is by setting aside time on the weekends to connect with people, like go on dates, hang out with friends, just meet new people. And don't be a fucking gremlin and stay cooped up in your room all day. Go talk to your parents. Eat dinner with them. They'll appreciate it. And don't just tell them that you love them. Fit them into your weekends. Grab some ice cream with them. Just anything. The best thing you can do to show the people around them that you care about them isn't by telling them you love them. It's by spending time with them. Number five, sleep. Bro, slap the shit out of yourself last night if you got less than 7 hours of sleep. Sleep is one of the most important aspects of life, and it's neglected so often. Not just by the Sigma grind set field, but walk into any high school or university and you'll hear the typical interaction. Guys, I only got 6 hours of sleep last night. What the freaking shit? I only got 2 hours of sleep last night. Watashi wa tsuniteki no stando yuza ni chui shinakereba narimasen. So yeah, get 8 to 10 hours of sleep a night. You don't need me to tell you that. You should already be doing it. Just slap the shit out of yourself again. Alright, I gotta go ghost. But don't forget, boys, we're all gonna make it.